Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to dive into this, AI website, which is Nexgen. First, Nexgen offer a tools aimed at helping team collaborate, think centralized messaging, shared tasks, and unified project tracking. For small to mid-sized team, it can simplify communication, keep everyone aligned without snitching between too many apps. It's easy of setup, and the single workspace setup are definite advantage, especially if you are looking across time zone or remote locations. On the flip side, Nexgen may lack some of the advanced features like larger organization expect deep integration, enterprise grade security, or highly customizable workflow. The simplicity is a plus for smaller team, but might feel limiting as the team grow. To my opinion, Nexgen works well for teams seeking a straightforward way to stay connected and organized, but for bigger or more complex organization might need a more robust platform for their level of communication and work activities. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.